In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can delete your Meta account from Facebook. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's get into it.
So first you have to open your Facebook account and click this menu icon on the bottom right corner. Now simply click this settings gear over here, or you can click settings and privacy. You can choose any option. Now simply click settings over here and it's going to bring you to this page. On this page you have this option that says account center. Under your account, simply click this option, and once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to click manage accounts, and it's going to bring you to this page over here. Now click manage on your Facebook account as you want to remove your Facebook account from Meta. You have these options over here. To remove your Facebook account from Meta, you have two options. Either you can move out of this account center, or you can deactivate or delete your account. To remove your Facebook account completely from Meta, you simply have to delete it. Click this option and it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, click delete account and then click continue. And it's going to bring you to this page and you can choose any option you want to. I'm going to just click this option over here and then click continue. Now click continue again. And here it's going to give you this final warning. You click continue again. Now simply enter a password over here, and that's how you remove your Facebook account from Meta permanently.